heißt es to me? Full, heavy, das Runde rein.
Okay. Geht's nach...
Go!
Amateurfußball und Fußballentwicklung beim Deutschen Fußballbund, beim DFB. Er hat euch was mitgebracht. A jersey from the German team.
Am dúrachtal gra pís beit sa Gaelic an Toshoch. Has sin bhríon in skipacin and seo Alba. Sin riocchuig Gaelic and in Alba. So I'm just saying right now that our organisation represents the Gaelic language in Scotland, and a lot of people think that Scots only speak English, and that's what we try and do is through football. We try to promote our language and our culture through football. So it's an honour for us to be here. Thank you for having us, and our gift exchange. Traditionally in Gaelic culture, you have a cuach, which is a cup of friendship, and you've got ushkabehe, which means the water of life, which is whiskey.
Water of life. We have that as well. We call it beer.
Exactly. So traditionally, when clans came together to form alliances, you would pour ushkabehe into the cuach, and someone drinks from both parties to seal an alliance between two organisations. So it's an honour for us to be able to present this to you, and thank you for allowing us to do so.
Thank you. Sollen wir trinken?